Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 15 Pro. But before I get into this video, check this out. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the UAG Monarch case for the iPhone 15 Pro. If you want to check out, I did go ahead and review the Monarch Pro with the Kevlar in silver a couple days ago. It will be in the description. Look out for the playlist. I have all my iPhone videos there. I need to give a shout out to UAG for sending me out a boatload of cases. So they did send me out the Monarch in crimson red, and then also this green. The green said it has Kevlar fabric in there, so we'll check out that one too. I've been using UAG cases for a while now, and they finally, sent forth some cases, so I'm happy they did, and we'll check it out. We'll make sure everything fits well. Does everything line up? Can you wireless charge with this case? Also, we'll check out, see if you get that camera protection you look for. We'll also make sure you get the lip action, just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's start off with the crimson red. Bam! Now it says 20-foot drop protection there. If you want to pause the video, you can definitely do so and pause and read all of that. I don't think I would read it, but if y'all want to, y'all can. I love the packaging from them, plain and simple, really fancy though. But here is the crimson red. You have the classic UAG logo there, the classic honeycomb pattern in the inside with the logo there too. It's a sturdy case. It will add a little bit of bulk, but not much. So you do get the camera protection. Look at that. You also get lip action all the way around, as you can tell. You can see how much you get. You also have this pattern here for grip, which is great. So when you hold on to it, it actually grips it. The power button is nice and tactile. The vine rockers are the same way, nice and easy to press. Not hard to press at all. The action button is not really a button. It still has a cutout, but let's see how easy it is to get to. You can get to that action button easy. Not a big deal to get to it. So even though they don't have a button, it still has the cutout. It still functions good. Everything lines up at the bottom here. You can tell there. Man, I like this case. I took a screenshot some kind of way. The overall fit is pretty good. It gets a little loose around the cutouts, but again, it goes back to it. It's not going to come apart. Same thing with here. It comes a little bit loose, but overall the fit is good because again, if you drop it, it's not just going to, the phone is not going to pop out. And then when you're trying to get it out of the case, it takes some effort there. The great thing about these cases too is you can see the corner protections you get when you drop this phone. So that's what UAG is known for. So bulkiness, it doesn't have much, but it is a little bulky, but not much. You can tell it makes the phone a little bit bigger. It doesn't weigh a lot. The case is not like a heavy case. It just weighs a little bit. But overall, I do like the feel of it. I like how well it, fits on here. Can you wireless charge? It doesn't have MagSafe, but it should be able to still wireless charge without a problem. Here's my good charger here. And as you can tell there, you can wireless charge without any issues, which is good. Man, look at that. All right, let's check out the next color. And look, I'm trying to struggle getting it off. All right, so here is the green. Now on the Kevlar, you can feel it in there. That's actually pretty cool. Feels good. It looks the same. I like the green and the orange there. The buttons are the same. It has the same design. It's going to fit the same way. This is just to show off the colors. And especially if you have the blue titanium, how it will look. And it feels the same. It's going to have the same charging capabilities on there too. Yeah, the buttons feel the same on here. But which one was your favorite? Do you like the green or the crimson red? Y'all let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. I will have links in the description, so if you want to pick up either one of these cases, you can definitely do so. Support the channel. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.